So this is going to be a really short video showing you how to update the firmware on your multi-module using Flash Multi. I've just downloaded the latest version of Flash Multi 0.4.2. I've started up and we're ready to go. First things first, I'm going to download the firmware that I need by clicking Help, Get Module Firmware. It takes me straight to the downloads page for the multi-module firmware. Now I'm going to make a selection here that's the iRange firmware, and all that does is pre-populate some selectors over here on the right. I'm going to add a few more to filter this really down to the firmware file I want, and here we go. So I can just click, and that file will download. Back over in Flash Multi, you can see that there's no serial port connected, and that is simply because my module isn't plugged in. So if I show you my module, and I plug it in, you can see it's running outside the radio, and that's really just to make life easier for me and recording the video. You could plug it in your radio and it wouldn't matter. What you can see there is Flash Multi has automatically selected COM4, the port that just appeared when I plugged my module in, which is very handy. It means I don't have to know what port it appears as or what's configured. Next thing I'm going to do is find the file I just downloaded, and I'm going to double check that it matches what I want for my radio. It does. I can see that all of these are according to the selections I made, and this is pretty much ready to go. So I'll just hit the Write Module button, and Flash Multi will now write that firmware to my module. There we go, all done, simple as that. And it really is that straightforward to update the multi-module firmware on your external module with Flash Multi.